Your electricity bill will decrease significantly. With this method, you'll save money. Almost no one knows about it. You'll always do your laundry this way from now on. Doing laundry itself isn't a burdensome task, but it is quite costly. It uses a fair amount of electricity, so it makes sense to do it as efficiently as possible. That's why we're going to show you a simple, handy trick. It's called the palm trick, and it helps you wash more efficiently and cheaply. All you have to do is place your hand inside the drum. If your hand fits between the clothes and the drum wall, you have the perfect load size. If it doesn't, remove some clothes. But if you have extra space in the drum, you can add more clothes to save water. This method quickly helps you check the right load size. It's crucial because overloading the machine can disrupt its balance and affect its long-term efficiency. Take a piece of aluminum foil, crumple it into a ball, and throw it into the dishwasher. Your dishes will shine like never before. Their brilliance will blind you. Everyone will ask you what you use to wash them. If you have favorite glasses and are constantly dissatisfied with their appearance after being taken out of the dishwasher, then this trick is for you. You'll forget about dull glasses, dishes, or stemware. From now on, their shine will delight your eyes. All arranged on the shelf will be perfectly clean and shiny. The trick with aluminum foil balls works not only on glass. It also cleans and polishes cutlery. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny knives, forks, spoons, and teaspoons. And all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Unroll a piece from the roll and crumple it into a ball. Place such a ball in the dishwasher. Put it between the glasses. Place another one or two between the cutlery. Aluminum foil reacts with detergents during dishwashing. As a result, it oxidizes the dull glasses, stemware, or cutlery. A small ball of foil works wonders. It's like polishing dishes and cutlery, except that aluminum foil will do it for you. Always put aluminum foil balls in the dishwasher. Metal pots, glasses, and cutlery will shine. Your neighbors will envy you. Just use a bottle and your washing machine will thank you. A washing machine is one of the most essential appliances in your home. Its proper functioning depends on regular maintenance. One critical component to care for is the washing machine filter. It's responsible for trapping small debris. Neglecting regular cleaning of the filter can lead to serious problems. Place a towel under the filter area. Take an empty plastic bottle, cut off the top part, then trim a section of the side to fit the opening of the washing machine where the filter is located. Unscrew the filter. Watch as all the dirt and debris flow directly into the bottle. This is the moment you realize how easily your washing machine can get clogged if the filter isn't cleaned regularly. Once the filter is removed, place it in the sink. Clean it thoroughly with a brush to reach every crevice and remove all debris. Do the same for the filter opening. Pour water into the opening to rinse it. Then, put the cleaned filter back in place and screw it tightly. The filter is clean, and your washing machine works like new. This simple task helps you save on costly repairs. I clean the washing machine regularly. Dirt and limescale disappear. The washing machine is clean, and the laundry always smells fresh. Apply toothpaste to the inner glass of the door. Take half a lemon and spread the paste. Do this especially at the edges, where residue from water and detergents often accumulates. Once you've cleaned the entire glass, toss the lemon into the washing machine drum. Now, focus on the door seal in the washing machine. This is the area where most dirt accumulates and mold. Sprinkle this area with baking soda. It will remove dirt, mold spores, and eliminate unpleasant odors. After doing this, close the washing machine. Open the detergent drawer and spray it with vinegar, all compartments. Vinegar removes limescale, detergent, residue, and mold. If you clean the washing machine irregularly, mold will never appear. Close the drawer and run the washing machine on a standard program. Toothpaste, lemon, baking soda, and vinegar will clean the interior of the washing machine and eliminate deposits and limescale. These ingredients also eliminate mold spores, which may be responsible for the unpleasant odor coming from the washing machine. When the washing machine finishes, open it and remove the lemon. You'll immediately notice that the entire interior shines. Wipe it dry, and it will be cleaner than ever. The detergent drawer will also be cleaner. During the next laundry cycle, you'll notice that your clothes will smell wonderfully. You don't have to worry about the smell of mustiness and mold. Throw a laundry pod into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pod into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these two ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use one bucket to wring out the mop, and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals. Each drawer in a washing machine has 3 compartments, but not everyone knows what they are for. One mistake can affect your laundry. If you use detergent pods, you might not use the detergent drawer at all. So, take a look at the drawer in your washing machine. Do you know which compartment is for what? There are always 2 compartments with lines and 1 compartment with a flower symbol. These lines are the Roman numerals 1 and 2. The compartment with the number 1 is for the pre-wash detergent. Most people never use the pre-wash cycle, so they don't use this compartment. The compartment with the flower is for fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, you pour it in here. Compartment number 2 is for the main wash detergent. This is where you pour liquid detergent or put in powder. It has an additional feature that makes it easier to use different types of detergent. More and more often, it has a small compartment that is movable. When you use powder detergent, the compartment should be raised. If you want to pour in liquid detergent, then this compartment should close off the part with the liquid. This way, the liquid won't spill out of the washing machine if the drawer is pulled out too far. Each compartment, therefore, has a specific use. Take a look at your washing machine and check if you are using the compartments in its drawer correctly. Drop them in the drain, and the result will surprise you. The problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I'll show you how to unclog the drain with something you probably already have at home. First, clean the sink of any visible hair and debris. Sometimes these are caught on the strainer and just need to be removed. Then, take a liter of vinegar and boil it, preferably in a kettle. Let it sit for a moment. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the drain. Pour the hot vinegar over them. Be careful not to pour hot vinegar on the porcelain sink, as it might crack. Pour the vinegar directly into the drain. You'll hear a characteristic bubbling sound, and foam may start to come out of the drain. When you hear the bubbling, pour a liter of boiling water into the drain. The aspirin, along with the vinegar and boiling water, will unclog the pipe, also neutralizing any unpleasant odors that occasionally come from the pipes. As you can see, a very effective mixture for unclogging drains is the combination of aspirin, hot water, and vinegar.